Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at expanding perfect squares. Expanding perfect squares involves using the distributive law that we've already learned, but first let me introduce you to the concept of perfect squares. A perfect squares equation is an equation that looks something like this, in which inside the brackets there are two terms, and on the outside we have a little square symbol there. Now what this is essentially giving us is this equation times itself again. So a plus b squared is actually a plus b in brackets times a plus b in brackets again. Now using our normal technique, using the distributive law, we multiply a by b by a, and then b by b. Simplifying this, a times a we know is a squared, then a times b is ab, b times a is ba, and b times b is b squared. An important thing to note here is that ab and ba are the exact same thing because a times b and b times a are in fact the same thing. Now when solving this again and simplifying, we take the a squared because that in itself is a like term. We take these two like terms here, ab and ba, put them together and get 2ab, and then finally put on that b squared. As I said, we know this is true because AB is equal to BA. In this second example here, we can see the sign in the middle is actually a negative. Now, popping the brackets out and expanding till we get the two mirrored equations, we can still solve in the same way as we solved the first one. So, a times minus b times a, and minus b times minus b. Now let's expand these brackets together. A times a is simply a squared. A times minus b would be minus ab. And in this case, minus b times a is the same, minus ba. And finally, minus b times minus b is not minus b squared, but in fact plus b squared. And we know this because when multiplying two negative terms, we get a positive outcome. Grouping the like terms and simplifying once again, a squared remains the same, minus 2ab is placed in here, and finally that plus b squared also remains since ab is equal to ba. Now I'm just going to do another quick example with you guys just to solidify your understanding, and for this one we're going to take the equation x plus 2 squared. Now this equation, as we know, is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 2, with that little multiplication symbol existing in the middle just there. Using our normal technique, x times x is x squared, x times 2 is plus 2x, 2 times x is also 2x, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Grouping together the like terms 2x and 2x, we can solve the equation, giving us the solution x squared plus 4x plus 4. That was expanding perfect squares, and join us in the next video to work through a few more examples together.